Hi, it's Dad Nago here. Welcome back to my English podcast. If you are not good at something, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't learn about it. There are many benefits to learning something new and difficult, even if you will never be able to do it well. It's an opportunity for personal growth, a way to stretch your limits, or maybe just a chance to feel more confident in a room full of people. And who knows, maybe what you learn will help you discover something new about yourself. There are several reasons why you should learn something even if you aren't good at it. 1. Personal growth. Learning about a topic unfamiliar to you can be an opportunity for personal development. You can learn something new and expand your horizons. There is no end to the amount of information that we never knew existed. But learning even a little about each thing can add up quickly if you stay consistent. 2. You get to stretch your limits. You never know what you are capable of until push comes to shove. Learning something new and difficult can help you discover hidden talents that you never knew were there. Once you see that you are capable of something, it can be empowering and sometimes make you feel like a superhero. 3. It's fun. It's always fun learning about something new every day, even if it seems very hard at first. And sometimes, just being able to talk about what you are studying with other people who are also interested in the same thing is enough of an accomplishment. 4. You might unlock a passion. The most important reason of all is to find out what you are passionate about. It could be something unordinary or even bizarre, but when it's discovered, you'll know what you want to spend most of your time doing for the rest of your life. Now, what do you need to do once you know what you like and can do well? The answer is simple: do more of it. Spend time thinking about what you are good at and enjoy doing it. Spend less time on things that aren't enjoyable or don't bring joy to your life. When you focus only on the things that interest and excite you, everything else will fall into place naturally. While learning something new and difficult can be very rewarding sometimes, once you know your true strengths, it's time to focus on that instead. I hope that you learned something new today. My goal is to help you gain more useful knowledge every day while improving your English considerably. Don't forget to sub for more awesome videos every week. Share this video with your friends and families so that they can benefit from this information as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.